Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? I know we don't usually stream on Sundays, but I figured I would give you a little special treat. Marsha! Hello, hello. How's it going? So the reason we're streaming today is I'm getting a new phone. Funny enough, my phone's dead right now. I can't use it. So there's actually not much I can do without my phone, which kind of sucks. But well, actually, it's not dead. It just doesn't have service, so I can plug it in and it works. But I can't make calls or receive texts or whatever. But since I'm getting a new phone, I figured I would implement import-export for high scores for my game that I wrote a long time ago. Hey, what's up? Cagatayalican. Definitely said that wrong, but thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, we're gonna work on that today, and I have not worked on this in a very long time. Oddly enough, the last time I worked on this was actually on stream. I don't think anyone here remembers that though, because this was like right when I started streaming, like way back in 2018. Yeah, November 27th of 2018 was the last time that I worked on this. And I think this was before I even recorded VODs and uploaded to YouTube. Like this is way back. But yeah. So let's actually open up Android Studio. I think I need to get pull, so I need to figure out where this project lives. It's been a long time since I've worked on this. Where are you? E Studio Projects. Okay. I guess we can get Bash into that. Oh my. Today's stream is gonna be a little sketch. Alright, let me say hi to everyone who's here though. Andrew Lennox was first. Hello, hello. The Armchair General, how's it going? Kevin's Joburg, how's it going? Hello, hello. Beldoth's here. Marsha is here. I saw you before the stream, Marsha, with the same emotes that Jess Lucy uses. I assume you both have the same subs now. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. You set the MOTD to I kiss my plushies. Yes, there's the plushies. The air quality is good for now. It is not quite yet fire season. It will be soon though. Cagatayalican. How do you want me? Oh, I said that wrong. How do you want me to say your name? Can I just call you Cat? What can I call you? Andy Monkey. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Mahamdi, how's it going? Good to see you. Bonus stream, indeed. And it's a bonus stream that's EU friendly. A double whammy. Double whammy right there. How do you 2FA on AWS? So that one I have through Authenticator. But anything that I have to do through SMS or phone call, I can't log in. which kind of sucks. Because a bunch of stuff does not support Authenticator apps. So I'm just locked out of those until my new phone arrives, which is unfortunate. What phone did you get? I don't know. So what happened is my mom got a new phone and it was too big for her hands, and she's like, do you want it? And I was like, sure. Because I don't really use my phone other than like, I don't know, I play kenken on it and I occasionally look at GitHub emails. That's about it. I don't really browse the internet or do anything. I hate using phones. Like phones are like one of the more annoying ways to do computing. But I don't know. That's just me. You don't have to have the same opinions there. Kevin Stover says, looks like all my side projects. Studio projects. Kenken Android. Oh, did I link the wrong repository? Wait. Oh, the get rid mode is set up properly, but the folder name is different. Oh well, I'm not gonna try and think about it. Cheese Lover says kenken. Yes, let me show you the game before we get started, and then, well, I'll probably have to show the game many times on the stream. Let's be honest, because people are gonna be like, what is kenken? How do the game? So we'll do that. This might be the first time ever I've seen you do anything other than Python. Yeah. We're gonna be doing some Kotlin. Hopefully we don't have to touch the Java code. There's some like really gross Java code in there somewhere that I haven't ported over because I'm embarrassed of the way that it's implemented. Okay, so this is the kind of start screen. We're gonna start by doing a 6x6 that's not in hard mode to get started. Let's do, yeah, sure, we'll do 6x6. Okay, so the idea behind kenken is as a game that's kind of like Sudoku in that you won't have the same number in the same row or column, but you will have these little, what are referred to as cages. And in a cage, there will be a number and a math symbol. And within that cage, the numbers have to math symbol up to this number. So 4 plus means it has to be 1 plus 3, but it could be 1 here or it could be 1 here. It could be in either spot. And you can mark things using the top bar, or you can lock them in using the bottom bar. Like I happen to know that this has to be 2 times 3 times 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And the one like basic rule of the game is if you ever see 2 in a row that are 2 numbers, that means you can't see those 2 numbers anywhere else in this row. So like neither of these could be a 4 or a 5. I mean, they happen to be either a 1 or 2. But like this could not be a 1, 2, 4, or 5. This has to be a 3 or a 6. And this has to be a 3 or a 6. And if you see 3 numbers in a row in 3 squares that are in a line, that means that those numbers can't be anywhere else. So that means this must be a 4, which means this must be 5, that must be a 4, etc., etc. And that's kind of how the game plays out. But you basically do some logic and you know, puzzle out the game here. And you know, there's these plus and minus buttons that make it a little bit easier to play the game. But 13 plus would have to be, oh, that actually has a lot of combinations. This has to be 1, 3, so that narrows this one down. Can't be, This is 4, 2. Oh, 60 has to be, oh, it could be any of them. We can't see a 5 here. Oh, that's annoying. This might have more than one solution. And this has to be 1, oh, this could be any of those also. This one has to be 2, 3 though. Okay, so that helps us solve the rest of this. 11, 4, 1, 3, 2. And there's like a mode where you can double click and it will auto solve whatever's remaining if it's forced. This has to be 1, 3. Yeah, this has to be 2 or 5. Oh, this is one of those games that's not great because I think there's multiple solutions. This be 6 here, so it has to be this. This can't be 3. Shit. This can't be a 3. Those can be that. E1, 3. Yeah, I think there's multiple solutions here, which is shitty. But fortunately, my game allows multiple solutions, so either solution that's valid will be allowed. Well, there's multiple solutions. But anyway, that's the game. That's the basic play. I usually play in what's referred to as hard mode. In hard mode, you don't get the top bar. These are always grayed out, so you have to just mental math it all. You have to remember what all the squares are. Oh, this one's not easy. These are 2 or 3. These are 2 or 3, which means this needs to be 1, 4. Then the rest of these are anything. But anyway, I play a lot of this, so I'm pretty good at it. But anyway, that's my game. Wicked Ziv, hello, hello, welcome to the stream. What is kenken? Well, fortunately, I just answered that. But we know what you look at on your phone. Dixord? I guess I do look at Dixord on my phone. That's true. Yeah, this is my new phone, a BlackBerry. Yep, 100%. Suddenly an iPhone appears? No, I'm not getting an iPhone. No way. Rewrite it in Kotlin? It's almost entirely Kotlin, except for the crappy stuff. This game makes me want to commit Sudoku. Oh no. Are you change those ugly gradients? I like the gradients. Where's flat design? Oh no, I like the buttons. Hey, what's up, DayTTV? Hello, hello. Ezekiel, hello, hello. Welcome back. Yeah, it has been a while. Welcome, welcome. It hasn't been that long. Remember when Anthony couldn't pronounce your name? Yeah, it's fair, it's fair. Rewrite it in Flutter? I'm not rewriting. We're bolting on a feature today. Just because I need it. Work Control says, is it that hard to set up an emulator on Linux? Yeah. Well, I'm not running Linux. This is on Windows, so it was easy to set up. I assume it's easy to set up on Linux too, because it's all through Android Studio, and it's essentially just a Java thing. The bot got you, that's funny. And then he's so busy playing with himself because he can't reach out. Yeah, we'll catch up. Outdated version! Thank you for the resub. I don't know why TTS isn't working, but AWC Carpet to you as well. 7 months in a row and 11 total. Thank you for your continued support. Whoops. Up here. Weird. Grandpa's iPad, how's it going? Hello, hello. I was managing you looking at Pokeporn. Why would I look at Pokeporn on my phone? Why would I look at Pokeporn? Hey, what's up, Updated Vision? Hey, what's up, Crow? Hello, hello. What is this? This is my implementation of kenken. My Android app that I haven't worked on in 3 years, that I haven't written anything novel in it in 9 years. This targeted like Android API 6 or something like that, like way back when. I think the last time I built this, I updated it to API 26. Android current API version. What are they on right now? Have they stopped doing... What is the API level of the latest version? Oh. Okay, that's actually not that far behind then. Unless they've stopped doing this codename API level thing. Yeah, because this is the last time I rebuilt. But I originally targeted Eclair. Oh wait, maybe was it Eclair or was it Donut? I think it was 1.6. I think I targeted this. It was either Donut or Eclair. Really, really old Android. But yeah, I wrote this a very, very long time ago. Indie Breaker, hello, hello. Kevin Stroberg says, wrong, you didn't start the stream intending to rewrite, but we all know deep down you wanted to. I mean, I want to rewrite the part that I'm ashamed of. Don't look at the Java code. The Java code is awful. Hey, what's up, Moomy? How's it going? Did I hear somebody say full rewrite in Rust? Can you even write Rust? I'm sure you can write Rust with NDK and target Android, but would you want to? No. I don't know. Work control says 31, I guess? Yeah. Well, this says 30, but... Goncala says, I still remember when I used that Android Studio version. Oh, is this Android Studio version like super out of date too? It wouldn't surprise me. It's likely 3 years old. It is likely 3 years old. Rewriting Kotlin? Most of the code's in Kotlin already. Most of the nice code is in Kotlin. There's the not nice code in here. This is the Java code that we're gonna pretend doesn't exist. It's unnecessarily inheritance. Yeah, just ignore that. Just ignore that. I thought I wasn't really sure. I didn't think about this problem well enough when I designed the cages. So they're very manual and they're not well thought out. Like Okay, I'll tell you the embarrassing part. You want to know the embarrassing part, chat? Here, we'll look at all the files here. So there's this file called one square cage and one square cage factory. You know we're off to a good start when you have something that has a number and factory in its name. And then we have 3 square bent cage and 3 square down left factory and 3 square down right factory and 3 square horizontal factory and 3 square line cage and 3 square up left factory and 3 square up right factory and 3 square vertical factory. You get what I'm saying yet? 2 square cage, 2 square horizontal factory, and 2 square vertical factory. This entire fucking set of files, which is like this terrible inheritance tree, literally could have been an array of coordinates. This whole thing could have been an array of coordinates. And I would not have needed all of the wacky shit that's going on in here. Also, it's like, if I remember correctly, it's all just like manual loops. Where's the factory? We want this one. Yeah, so it's like manual line drawing to draw around. Oh, I just fucked something up in here. Did it just auto do that for me? Undo. Oh god, we don't want that. Yeah, manual line drawing. There's stuff like weird. What the fuck is the indentation here? I don't want to know. Where's the part where it? Oh yeah, not not only is it manual line drawing, it's a bunch of switch on booleans, and then manual code that draws each one. It's awful. This code is terrible. But again, I wrote this in 2012. I didn't think very much about it. I just kind of like hacked it together and it works. And I haven't really revisited it since then. But it's not good. There's no part about the Java code that's good. The Kotlin code's alright, but the Java code, no. Man gesturing, no. Nicholas GHS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Devashish says, sup Rockstar, how's it going? Welcome back. Hello, hello. Did you have to put a tie on to write that Java? I mean, oh shit, I forgot to mute Dick Sword. Sorry, that was me, not you. My bad. I'm sorry. No, I wrote this in college in a dorm room. Actually, I think I wrote this. No, I wasn't in a dorm room. I was in an apartment, but the apartment was like super jank, like really jank. The original version is in C#. I don't think the original version compiles though. How would I even find it? Surely it's on. I think it's private on GitHub. Is it CS kenken or kenken CS? Neither. Maybe it's CS-kenken? We'll do a little repo search. Repo. Oh, it's CS-kenken. I don't think this actually works though. Yeah, this one's 9 years ago. I don't even think I have a binary of this anywhere either. But did this have the same? It did. See, the Java solution is a straight port of the C# solution. Also, it didn't. Oh, it did have bent cages. Yeah. So the same shitty design comes from the C# code. So why did I make my own point class? Yeah, why did I make my own point class? Surely there's a coordinate pair somewhere. Also, for some reason, I used to do this in like all my files. They would always start with a blank line, and I don't know why I did that. I eventually learned that that was not a good idea, but I don't know why I originally did it that way. But anyway, I ported it to Java. I ported it to Android. I ported it to Android to impress a girl. Because she had an Android phone. and she wanted to play the game, and she didn't have a Windows laptop. So, yeah, that's why I ported it to Android. But on says, I feel you. I used to write Java in old school Android. Mimi says factories. Can always rewrite it in C# and Xamarin. Well, it originally started in C#. Port it back to the original language. There we go. Hey, rollers. How's it going? Hello, hello. Enterprise level code? Yeah. He's working at IBM when he wrote this. Refactor it? I'm going to try and implement the feature that I want so that I can not think about the job code anymore. Because it works. It's fine. It's whatever. It's a decade ago me code. I know where all of the skeletons hide, at least. I know where all the noodles go, as who said that? Somebody on Twitch said that. They were like, I know my code is spaghetti code, but at least I know where all the noodles go. I fucking love that. I want to put that on a t-shirt. At least I know where all the noodles go. Movie says, it makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside knowing you've once written code like this. Yeah. Graham's iPad! Thank you for the gift sub to the Endless River, who has now gotten 10 months of subdom. Here is your button. Graham's iPad. Appreciate your gift there. Honestly, I love looking back at old code. It's showing the progress you've made since then. Also, Anthbonk. Did you try Plumie? Been exploring the Inference code space for a bit today. Okay. I don't like imperative infrastructure as code. Because I mean, part of the big sell for me for infrastructure as code is that everything is declarative. So one, you can format and lint it, and two, you can like systematically change it. When you jump into like Pulumi or even SaltStack or like there's some of the other ones. What's the CDK? Like any of those that have imperative approach to resource provisioning or configuration management, they're so hard to get right and they're so hard to maintain in the long term. And by using something like Terraform, it kind of forces me into very simple constructs so that I can't do fancy stuff, so that it's easy for me to, lint, format, and validate. But I don't know, that's just my opinion. You don't have to agree with me. I don't like, I would like my data to be data and not executable, I guess. Casual says, I'd argue it would be worse if you look back at the code and it didn't have any comments. I mean, some of these comments are garbage. Like, I mean, this is fine. But I think most of the code was like, I was still very much in the mode where like, I named things intentionally so that I didn't have to comment as much, although this has way more comments than I usually do. But I don't know. Also, it still has some like JavaDoc shit here. Yeah. Note, this is the new version of this check. The old check used to make sure every square was filled in with the... Oh, also I used to do this thing with comments where on the new line I would put a little space. I actually really... Why does it keep doing that? I actually really like this. Because it makes it like a little bit more obvious like where the sentences are. But I don't know, at some point somebody convinced me that this was not great. But old me used to like doing this. Are there f strings in Kotlin? Surely there's f strings, right? I don't need to do string.format. Again, and also when I ported this to Kotlin, Kotlin was pretty new. But anyway, here's a block. New version of this check. Funny, because I wrote this code and like rewrote this check. Okay, the reason I did this is because it used to check whether the game was won a lot, and this was really expensive because it used to check every single square and like do this crazy recursive check. But now it's just like, no game, it's not done. Everything isn't filled in, it's not done. Then check things. But it used to, this code, I guess this block used to not be there. This is kind of the short circuit, the new version. But yeah. The apartment wrote the app? No, I wrote it. Ben Griffith says, "What's kenken?" Oh man, I should have. Did somebody clip the first explanation? Or should I explain it again? John Who, hello, hello. How come GitHub is so slow lately? I feel like GitHub's always slow. My teacher does that too. The starting with a blank line must be a weird old thing. You fucking dork. Wait, why did I get so many bonks? He was 8 years old when he wrote this? Noodle? Noodle's doing alright back there. Joey says, I've tried to set the mood with my fiance using some badass refactoring. She wasn't impressed. My friendly courier says, did your plan work? Oh yeah, it totally worked. Totally worked. Hey, what's up, Bagel? Hello, hello. Swarch Child, how's it going? Good to see you again. Okay, we'll explain kenken really quickly again. Are you guys ready to clip this? I'm gonna try and do it really quickly. So kenken is a game. It's kind of like Sudoku in that you can't have the same number in the same row or column, except the twist with kenken is there's cages, like individual boxes that are boxed off, and they have a number and a math symbol. And this is hard mode, so it's harder for me to do this. Let me turn off hard mode. And the number and the math symbol say that the numbers inside of this must, in this case, multiply to 4. So it must be 1 times 4 in some way. And the 1 or 4 could be in either spot. And the basic rule that you use to solve this is if you see 2 numbers in a row, or 2 numbers in 2 squares in a row, that means you can't see these numbers anywhere else. So this one could be 2 times 4, but because this is 1, 4, this cannot be a 4, so it must be a 2. And you basically use that deduction to solve the rest of the puzzle. And yeah, so that's the basics behind kenken. And there you go. Clip that, please, so we can send that next time somebody asks. And this is my Android app version of this. And today we're going to try and do statistics import and export. And the reason we're doing this is because I'm getting a new phone, and I have a lot of, and the way I used to do this for statistics import and export is I would load the game up with the debugger enabled, I would dump the memory of the debugger, and then save the debugger memory to a file, and then load up my new phone, place a breakpoint in the start of the game, inject my high scores using the debugger, and then continue playing the game. But that's super jank, so we're going to implement an actual import and export. Node Tone, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. This is just telling me that so Wi-Fi still works on my phone, but phone doesn't work. She's just telling me that she got a new router and modem for her internet, so she will be able to actually stream without dropping frames. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, I was gonna tell you my statistics. Okay, so 9x9, which is the game that I played the most in hard mode, I have played 869 games. I've won 717 of them. My average win time is 7 minutes and 38 seconds. My best time is 2 minutes and 4 seconds. In not hard mode, I've played 273 games. Actually, my best time is better in hard mode than it is in not hard mode. But then again, I don't play easy mode anymore for the most part. But I want to be able to export those and not and not lose them. This looks similar to Kaylee's table. Kaylee's table. I'm searching off screen because, like, I don't know. I feel like that could be really easily. I don't know. It's not lewd, but it could. I could see how something like that could be lewd. Kaylee table describes the structure of a finite group by arranging all the possible products of a group's elements in a square table. Oh. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's kind of like this, but also not really. Neat. But yeah, that's kenken. Is this on the Play Store? Are you ready to clip this one too, chat? So, it was on the Play Store for a while when I was in school. And I got sued by Nextoy, which is... Well, I technically didn't get sued. They issued a cease and desist, and Google complied without contacting me. That I was infringing upon their trademarks, though I do not use their trademark anywhere in my application. And I was poor college student, so I couldn't fight their takedown notice, so I just, ate it and didn't bother fighting it. So it was at one point on the Play Store, but now you have to build it from source. Oh, oh no. Did you make a t-shirt of that, Kevin Schoberg? It's pretty good. I feel like it should be fixed with font though. But I do know where all the noodles go. Okay. But anyway, this stream's gonna be a lot of me relearning Android because I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Oh, I was supposed to get pull first. Just in case. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't auth my password manager. Oh my god. Fucking script today. Hang on a sec. Oh, it was unmuted? Oh no. That's not good. Well, I can just change that password. And delete the pod. I clicked the mute button. Why didn't it mute? That's so dumb. Also, I tried. Oh, you were just kidding? Okay. You fuckers. I see the kappa. Okay. Fuck you guys. I tested it too. I was like, I know I'm muted because I looked at it. All right. Avbibs, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So we've fetched here. Get... What's the diff? We just pulled pre-command-hooks. Okay, get merge origin master only. Okay, cool. So that should get us up to date. Oh man, you guys, you messed with me good there. Closer to nonogram / picross. I see. Elementor says every great programmer has to be sued or you just failed at your life. I don't think that's true. I feel like most programmers don't get sued. I feel like getting sued is not a good thing. Okay. So we're just gonna be Googling some tutorials for a second. Save a file to SD card Android. Yeah, there we go. That's how we want to do stuff, right? Oh, except how do I Google that I want Android from like a software perspective? API, maybe? Can you republish it? Possibly? I don't really want to have litigate. Oh, Kotlin. Yeah, that would be a good idea. Kotlin. And Java would be good. Kotlin, Android read. This seems like one of those shitty tutorial sites. Data and storage overview. Okay, so it's already using app-specific storage. And it's already using preferences. So we want shared storage. Save to shared storage. Use shared storage for user data that can be that can or should be accessible to other apps and saved even if the user uninstalls your app. Media content, no. Documents and other files. PDF or EPUB. I think this is what we want. Yeah. So, this one. Oh boy, file stuff on Android took a turn in the latest versions. Uh-oh. Well, I'm targeting an old API because I'm pretty sure the new API breaks things. Like, this is what it looks like at this version. How do I change the target API? Convert Java file to Kotlin file. No, I don't think that's right. How do I... Oh god, I don't remember how to do this. Someone remember how to change the API target? Can't you modify the export and re-import? Yeah, 100%. I'm not trying to make this secure, I'm just trying to make this convenient. I don't really care if people cheat. There's other ways to cheat already, so... Lemore says, hey man, I have a few side projects I want to code, but I'm struggling with planning, architecture, and designing the system. Do you know any good resources to learn that? I don't think there are possibly good resources to learn that. I think you just kind of have to do stuff and figure it out as you go along and decide what other stuff you do eventually. I don't have a I don't have a Gradle file. Oh, I do have a Gradle file. This one? Okay, so I changed these numbers. Oh, 19, that's even older. So I just changed this to like 26, for instance. A project sync may be necessary. Okay, sync now. This is gonna break everything, right? What number did I have there before? 19? Thank you for that. Oscar Allen says, wow, is this the famous Kotlin programmer Anthony? Huh. I mean, did it build? Somehow, I'm pressing X it out. This one. Okay, I'm pretty sure the build's going to fail. Pretty sure that was what was happening last time. Either that, yeah. Here we go. What is the error? Not enough information to infer parameter T. Oh. Doesn't know that this is a button. As button. Is button not a view? Oh, fucking A. Unable to cast a custom button. Layout tag was button. Oh, unresolved name. How do I do that? Space? No? Oh god, what is the thing where it can just auto-resolve? Help? Help? Oh, you can keep bin SDK? Metahearth, thank you for the sub with Prime. 3 months, that gets you a fancy new badge. Alt enter. That sounds like the right thing. Hey. Okay. We fixed that one. Oh, are you saying that I can do this? And then remove this? Oh, that's slick. Generics are nice. Casts are shitty. I mean, it still does cast under the hood, but... Text view. Alright, these are probably the same problem. Oh yeah, totally the same problem. Oh, we have lots of this. We're just gonna fix this one. The minimum to get a building, right? Alt space. Sick. Oh, it's alt enter? Well, I definitely did alt enter, so... I definitely said alt space, but typed alt enter. The compiler knows errors, why can't it just fix it by itself? Because it's not that smart. But thank you both, Zong and Giancarlo. Android Studio doesn't come close to Pavi, yeah. Python programmer experiences generics for the first time. There's generics in Python. And I was doing generics. I was doing Java, C#, and, well, not Kotlin. I was doing, I said I wasn't going to fix these, but we're going to fix these. I was writing generics long before I wrote Python. Yeah, like, my Python was several years after this code. Granted, I wasn't using true generics in Python for much longer, or for long before that. Text view. There's more up here, right? I wish there were an automatic refactor for this. I feel like there should be. Also, yes, I'm like building this view by hand, which is kind of annoying. Oh. I guess I'm not building it by hand, I'm just sticking the text in there. Hey, what's up, Sandpaws? Hello, hello. Compilers aren't paid enough to fix code? Yeah, it's true. It's true. Oh boy, we have 2 of these in this one. Bhutan! Sick! And Bhutan! And then alt enter. Sick! Check box. Yes. And a spinner. The fun part is, even after we do all these fixes, it's still not gonna build 100%. There's gonna be something else broken, or it's gonna build and it's just not gonna run. There's something really annoying about this current song. It does like that. What is that from? It's from some video game, but it makes the sound. It's really annoying. Why, you made? Oh, it infers it. Oh, the type inference has gotten better since last time I wrote this code. Look at that. Oh yeah, it sounds like a DSLR camera. Yeah, right, Octavius. Also, you capitalized your name. They changed find view by ID to support this a few versions ago. Yeah, well, this code's super old. The answer says, do you also want a new version of Kotlin? The message at the bottom kind of drives me nuts. Which one? Oh, this one? Yeah, maybe we'll do that too. Alright, let's try running again. Wait, why does it want me to add them? It just told me to remove them. Oh shit. It built. Yep, totally looks correct. Oh my god. I mean, it's playable. It looks like shit though. Oh god, it looks so bad. I think if it were a black background, I wouldn't notice how bad it looks. Oh god, it looks so bad. Is there like a choose dark mode? Elshan Go, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Do you think we as software engineers will run out of jobs? No. Alt enter is such a gold. Is such gold an idea? Yeah, 100%. That's a 0, not an O. Oh wait, is this a different Octavius? What? Do we have two Octaviuses? What? Hey, what's up, Drink Time Lord? Hello, hello. Wait, what are you doing? Making my app look ugly. Let's see. Set background color of view Android. How's the background color? Can I do it in the view designer instead of in code? So why was it not black to begin with? Why is it all programmatic? Surely there's like a view designer way to do this, right? Right? There's a view designer somewhere? Seem to remember? Res main. Yeah. Um. Uh. Android on my Python stream? Yeah. If you're not thinking of publishing in the Play Store, you won't need to worry much about the Min SDK, and the target is only to access new features. Yeah. But I feel like I should update it anyway, right? We can set this to 19 still, right? Right? Hey, what's up, Adrian? Hello, hello. Rest on my Python stream? Yeah, it is currently in consideration. I'm thinking about it. Hate the fact that you have a separate XML for styling and for strings instead of having all in the same place. Yeah. 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 Thank you for posting the clip about what kenken is so that anyone can find that. How do I make the background not shit? Is this still shit after I change the min version? Yeah. Okay. Also, why are these lines babby.jar or babby.apk when? Smelly athletic bunny. Yeah, that's a interesting clip name. Okay, how do I do this? So the dialogues are fine. Where does the app actually start? Kenken Android activity. This is where everything starts. We don't need any of these. Although we will have to change those eventually as well. How do I change the... Why do I have a random string here? I don't know. Uncreate. Where is the part where the view gets populated? Maybe that's in the game component? Are you where the view gets? Where's the view? Who makes the view? I guess I could search for main. Right. Can I right click and find references? Find usages. Oh, it is here. Set content view. Oh. Look at res values styles. Res values. I got strings, I don't got styles. Android view resource change background color. Android background. So if we just go here and set this to that. How do I change the title now too? Does that work? Does that make it better? How do I run? Are those games randomly generated using backtracking? The cages are set using backtracking. The numbers are generated using an algorithm I wrote. Okay, this actually looks fine now, except the timer is fucked. Why is the timer fucked? Hello? Where'd the timer go? And this looks shit. Okay, so we gotta fix that. Why is the timer fucked? Well, probably because the text color is off. Yeah, also the vertical line on these is fucked. Public override fun doesn't sound like a good time writing you for. How you doing? Okay, answer that one. Is run button in the top bar to the right of where it says app? Yeah, that's true. It's true. XML is your passion now? Yeah. Oh no. We've lost the JSON. Yeah, the timer is black and black. Yeah, we gotta fix that. Fix that. Timer. Do we have another color in here? Android text color. Let's try A's. Can I do it like that? Run. Never did it. Chat rank. Wow, you're in the top 100, Fallen Cato. Is the X and XML extensible? If so, does that make FML fuckable markup language? Oh no. Hey, okay, that looks good. We gotta have to do the same thing for all the dialogues as well. About dialogue. Oh my god, that's hideous. Android background 0, 0. And I gotta change all the text views to not be. How do I do like at color? How do I make a new colors? How do I make a colors file? Colors file, Android resource. That sounds like a thing that I want. Use color resource. Blah blah blah. Value defined an XML file. How do I make that? I'll do res values colors. Okay. New XML values colors. finish. Okay, cool. Color name equals BG. Value equals 0, 0. Yes? Oh, my Dischenwasser is beeping at me. Oh, that's not how this works. We're XML boys now. Okay. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, you're not in the top 10 anymore, Andrew Linux. You gotta work. Gotta step up your game. That Trip 6 background? I don't think I Trip 6'd it. This was AA, right? Color slash text. And pay no attention to, what is the hard-coded pixel numbers? Pay no attention to the hard-coded pixel numbers. Oh, I feel like this is gross. Oh, this was Trip 6. That might be too dark. I don't remember what it does it look like on my. What does it look like on my phone? Oh, it's a different color. Maybe we'll call this color dialog BG. We'll give a color for that. Dialog. Is it dialogu? RGB. Why don't these have... What are these up here? What are these text views? What are they? Oh, why isn't the text static in here? We'll fix that in a sec. I don't know why this text down here is... So why does this have a Trip 6? Oh, I don't know. Also, why does this button look so ugly? All right, let's start with that. Let's see what that looks like. 23schools.com/xml. No, I'm good. I'm good. Dude, what is beeping at you? My Dischenwasser! My spool machine! Alright, so this looks like shit. Dialog, title, color, Android. Dialog, title, background, color. Color, dialog, dialog. How can I make it look like this? A custom title layout, you can create a custom title like so. None of this looks fun. Why doesn't it just work? Also, how did this get the right color? What did I do to change this color? Because this was white before also. What did I change? You left text as black? Did I? I thought I fixed that. No, I fixed it. We're good. Design is clearly not your passion. Look, cut me some fucking slack. This is like 10-year-old code that barely works. Material design recommends a touch area. Look, I don't care. It's literally, this is a game that I'm pretty sure I'm the only person that plays. Melky! Kapow! We're doing some shitty Android today. You know, maybe I should just revert all this. I could just revert all this. Go back to the old build version, and then I don't have to do all this, like, updating stuff. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna set these back to 19. And then it'll look fine again. Also, why did the build work? Did those generics work in 19? No, they totally don't. So anything that we changed here also needs to... No type argument. Okay, let's try 20. Does anyone know what version the... I think I have to set this to 20 also. Does anyone know what version the generics got added? Hello? Hello? I just want to build. Yeah. Does anyone know what version the generics got added? I just need a few dozen factories. No, I'm not gonna get checkout done. Let's revert everything and work on pregame. No, I gotta make this happen because I want to be able to play this game on my new phone when it gets here. Hey, what's up, B Jonas? Hello. Good to see you again. We are manually bisecting. Well, I'm not even bisecting. I could probably bisect. We're gonna try 23 next if this doesn't work. Android 21 not found. Well, how do I get Android 21? SDK manager. Download 21. Why did 20 work? Partially installed. Apply. Yes. 26 is what we used before. Yeah, 26 is too new. Oh, it was 26 when it was added? Are you rewriting it for another crush? Yes, I'm rewriting it for me. Literally me, Marsha. DJ Fluffy Bunny says I might download this. Well, you can build it from source if you clone it from GitHub. I can't put it on the store because it was taken off for legal reasons. Alright, 21 is too old. Let's try 23. Well, let's just try 25. If you're saying that is the version... Oh, I didn't want to do run. I just wanted to do build. If that's the version when those generics were added. I have a sneaking suspicion that last time I did this, I had already picked the version. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, I need to SDK. Let's install 25. I don't even have 26. How did that work? Huh. I have a sneaking suspicion that last time I worked on this, I determined that 19 was the last version that didn't look like shit, so. Android 21 was the hot pink one? I have no idea. He's crushing on himself, yeah. Fake legal reasons? They went after me for trademark infringement and I wasn't infringing. Rams Broadcast says, can't you release it on F-Droid? I don't know what F-Droid is. But maybe? I don't know. I literally know basically nothing about hello? Give me build button. Why you not give me build button? Is it hello? And if this doesn't work, we're going back to 19 and I'm reverting. And it doesn't. Okay, we're going back to 19. Fuck that. That was a lot of fun. Let's see, what did we do? Did those views, which we get to revert because I don't think we did much, if anything. Oh, solid star import there. And we did this coloring. Boop. And we rebuild. Okay, cool. All right, back to working. you guys gotta help me stay on track here. Installation failed. The following message: 19 doesn't support runtime permissions, but the old does. Sure, fucking, I don't care. What is the difference between get checkout dot and get checkout dash dash dot? What is the difference? I believe that there is generally none. However, the dash dash explicitly says that it's a that it's treating dot as a file. Okay, it's back to working again. Cool. I don't think there's any difference. It's not deprecated, but you would use view binding now. Yeah. It's an open source app store for open source apps working without Google. Ah, I see. I see. Means the app isn't staying fixed for long. Find view by ID has been deprecated for a good few years now. Yeah, well, fine, whatever. Why are the squares white if the rest of the app is dark? Because it was designed for an Android version where the background was dark. I don't fucking know. Because I don't know, it's hard to read otherwise. I don't fucking know. It is what it is. But anyway, that's not the point today. The point today is I want to add a button to this view that lets me, oh, I guess we have to win a game to make it have statistics. So we're gonna do that real quick. And by real quick, I don't know that we can do this real quick. This is either 7, this is either 3, 4, or it is 5, or it's 1, 4. 1, 4, 3, 4. So there has to be a 4 here. So that means this is the 2. Must be a 4 here as well. Actually, we could have been 1. Yeah, well, there has to be a 4 here, so... Oh yeah, we already knew that. There could be a 1 or a 3. I think this is a gridlock game. I think it doesn't matter what happens, so we're just gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, so now we have statistics. So I want to add a button, not here. I want to add a button to... Oh, maybe just to the menu. Maybe that's the easiest way to do it. Yeah. Oh, this needs more padding. We're not gonna don't get distracted, Andy. Yeah, I think we're gonna put a button between these two that's export statistics. But yeah, how's it going, Alexa? Good to see you. What is your dick sword attachment, Marsha? What do you got for me? What? What? To solve with Python real quick? Yeah. No. It's probably not that hard. This is using the default colors for everything, doing things the right way. You would define a theme, especially now with light/dark themes. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you gotta remember, this was written in 2012. And has received light updates, light functional updates since then. Like it was a monumental amount of work to port it to Kotlin, and it was a monumental amount of work to get it running on API 19, because it was originally written for API 6. So some of this code is really old and really not correct. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to do the menuing stuff. I think that's a resource menu. So we want to add. We want to add a new menu item here. I have dashes in these? I guess so. And then I gotta go to strings. Strings! And then, wow, there's not that many strings. Oh, there are some strings in here. Where is the... Oh, that's why those are not populated like that. They're populated at runtime. I understand. I understand. Uh-huh. This is the menu stuff. Whoops. Wow, I used capital letters back then? What a boomer. What are you mad? Expert statistics is translated here, but not found in the default locale. Uh-huh. Let's see. No kebab case. It needs dark updates? It's on GitHub. If you want to make it not shit, go for it. We're trying to make this button work today. That's our goal. Okay, we should have a button now. It should do nothing. Yay, button. It do nothing. I'm surprised it doesn't crash. Probably should have crashed. Why didn't it crash? On options menu selected. Oh, because this is a non-exhaustive if statement that just does super. r.id. Oh, this is like a match statement. I think this is auto-generated. Return true. Okay, so we need to figure out how to open a file save. Oh, actually, we want to be able to import or export statistics. Maybe that should be import-export statistics. Yeah. Vector rename. Import, export statistics. And... Control-click. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. It should be an iOS version as well. I mean, if it gets ported to Flutter, then I guess that would work, right? Is that how that works? Hey, what's up, TriStar? Hello, hello. Do these statistics matter at all? Though, never mind. It's the thingy in the title, so I guess it's the main idea today. That's... Okay, they really don't matter, but I like them. Okay, we have button now. Cool. Well, if somebody ports it to Swift, well then it'll break when I fix things. Jokes. I'm never gonna. Probably not gonna touch the code. I already made a really pretty Sudoku, so it should be pretty straightforward compared to it. The 2-player online Sudoku. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I feel like this needs to open up a dialogue with 2 buttons on it. The fuck does this mean? Hello? Control F1. The string appears as a specific language translation file. String is probably unused. How do I fix this? Why do I make it not mad? Why is it not mad about this one? Hello? Yeah, why it made? Why you be made? Wait, isn't this the locale file? Isn't that what strings is? Open editor. Yeah, I mean, it is not here. Where is this getting saved to? Import. So what did that do? Where did that save? Hello? The fuck is the difference between this line and this line? I don't know what's going on here. Will I not be in the editor? Well, yeah, now there's a duplicate key, because this is the one that I added manually, and it's mad that translated here, but not found in the default locale. What the fuck does that mean? Go away. I don't know what it's mad about. Yeah, because I don't see it in here. But why? Why don't I see it in here? Yeah, it would be between these two. Alright, we're gonna try and add it. Import, export, statistics. Import, export, statistics. Okay. Now it's there. Now we go back to here. And if I cut this one and put it up here, where it belongs, it's still mad. I'm just gonna ignore it. I'm just gonna ignore it. When in doubt, sync again. What's the sync button? Sync. No? Sync. No? I don't fucking know. We're gonna close this file. It's pissing me off. Okay. We have our menu. Can't resolve symbol. Well, that's probably the problem. That's probably why it's mad. But why? Is the ID too long? What the fuck? Is the ID too long? Is that what it's telling me? What is happening here? Brainwash says this is not Python. What does this here say? We're trying to fix my Android app. Pain, that's what's happening, yeah. Okay, so if I write import export statistics and I copy that, I go here, I paste that, I go back here, it's fucked. No, it works! What is going on here? Alright, let me undo that. And undo this. No, I don't want to do that. Never mind. It works now. I have no fucking idea. Drawn you are! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. I have no idea. I have no idea what happened there. Mooshroff says, let us sync for a while. What do you mean? Maybe remove the one you added and keep the one you added automatically. I did do that, and it didn't make a difference. I don't know why it didn't work. We need more predictions? What are we gonna predictions? This is pain, wait until the files part? Yeah, well this is just me being rusty. Okay, we have the button now, yay! So now we need to make a dialogue. For that. New... I just copy and paste one. Or do I make two things? Actually, how is this even gonna work? I need to fill my water. I will be right back. All right, we're back. I've got water. Oh my goodness, what happened while I was gone? Why do you guys talk so much? No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Holy shit. Okay. How the F do people draw such cute emotes? Right. Anth bunk. Yeah, there you go. We got the QA engineer joke again. Seba says, I can only draw face, which I learned how to draw on the TED Talk. Oh, cool. Hey, what's up, Bastion Shadowvic? Hello, welcome back. How do I know my rank? Yeah, you can do bang chat rank. Wow, top 28. Wow, you have 1,000 messages. Senpais. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bunked rank. You've been bunked 4 times, Alexa. Wow. Not comfy to put your laptop beside your pillow while sleeping. Ooh. Shots fired there. Okay. So wait, what was your name? You're an orange. Goncalo, how is this supposed to work? Like, how do things normally do dialogues here? It's like I feel like the flow is you click on something and it spawns an activity that manages the files and then it returns back or something like that. How do you? How does that usually work? Like, I know I could just hard go to math. I feel like I don't want to do that. I feel like I want to give people the option as to where it can go. Um, oh, I need to add the permission to. Where does this go? Manifest. Uncomment while debugging. Well, we're gonna have this permanently enabled now. No longer debugging session or setting. Um. You can call it file picker through an intent. Oh, is that how I should do this? Tail, there's a PyJokes org with a PyJokes repo. Yeah, that's where these yokes come from. And I know this is the old permissions model. I know the new permissions model requests it as it goes, but why did Microsoft name their search engine Bing? Because it's not Google. Drone. Oh, that's literally the one that the Armchair General just posted. What the fuck is the chance of what? What is the probability of this? Like here and then here. Like, how many jokes are there and what? How? Who's buying a lottery ticket today? That's crazy. They are random. They are randomly chosen. Probability is 0 because he could have posted anything at any time. Well, I mean, the probability that he posted one of them and then the next one that was run was exactly like how many jokes are there is what I'm asking. What is the upper bound of the probability? Because the lower bound is obviously 0. Jokes. How many funny jokes are there? Jokes English. Updated 2 years ago. 224 lines of code. Neutral. Chuck. I feel like we don't have the Chuck Norris ones enabled. I feel like we just have the neutral ones. Because I haven't seen any Chuck Norris jokes. 8 to 106. So there's 98, 97 jokes. So it's like a 1%. No event squared. Huh. Your phone is SDK 23 or later. You'll have to ask permission at runtime. Unless you go into the settings manually and grant it there. Oh, so if my phone's like brand new, even if it runs in compatibility mode? I thought the compatibility mode stuff just like handled that and then old apps don't need to do it. Isn't that how that works? Am I wrong? Am I misremembering? I thought old apps just like worked. Like at it when it starts, I thought it asked for all the permissions. Oh, it's a Vinicami. Hello, hello. It's going all right. Quite know what I'm doing, but yeah. Let's change the menu to have two. That way I don't have to make a dialogue. Dialogue with two buttons is stupid. We'll just change the menu. Where was that? Menu. Well, strings. Import statistics, and we will have export statistics. Export. Here. Whoops. Okay, and then we gotta go to the code. Why does it still see the old ants? Okay. We should see those two things now. Where did my emulator go? Okay. Export statistics, import statistics. Cool. Do I correctly notice some tan on your face? Yeah, I have been biking at least 15 miles a day. I did 25 miles this morning. And my nose is shiny because shiny. Aman from ZA says bang! And then bang hash. No, that's backwards. It's supposed to be hash bang. So it's backwards. Okay. Open file intent Android. If there are no apps on the device that can receive the implicit intent, your app will crash when it calls start activity. Alarm clock, timer, calendar, camera, contacts, email, file storage. Here we go. That's what I want, right? Right? Kevin Stewart, the bang, 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 MOTD. Yeah. Is this the recursive banging that Anthonk is all about? Yes. Recursive banging is still a thing. It is indeed. It is indeed. You can bang your bang. How many bangs are there? 3 deep 5 me. Well, you forgot the D. There you go. Maybe you intentionally forgot the D. Retrieve a specific type of file. Open a specific file. Is there save? Why is there not save? Oh, action create. Okay. Oh boy. This doesn't seem so bad. Private const val. Keep getting pinged about this. Oh my god, this is the most fucking annoying thing ever. So, somebody mentioned me in a commit on GitHub, like this. And so now anytime anyone rebases black, I get a fucking email about it. Fuck you, Noxan. You dick. Why you gotta be like this, buddy? I got some other stuff to review. We're gonna get distracted for a second, chat. On your phone might not have a file picker. Yeah, that's certainly true. If it doesn't have one, then we'll post, but I'll make a toast or something like that. I don't know. We have two things to look at. This and this. This one's usually pretty easy. Code samples. This should just be readmes. This was, oh yeah, atomic replace and delete with trash can and my rename exchange utility. Yeah. Oh, and then the Puna code. Cool. That looks good. Of course, the button is off screen. Oops. Hey, hello? The approve button is off screen. That's still off. Oh, it's not off screen for you. Cool. Okay, that looks good. And then what do I got for this? And a pull request with no issue. And they didn't run the hooks. Ah, the irony of not using the hooks. With contributing to a pre-commit hook. Well, this is legitimately what pre-commit CI is designed for. Like, I literally had to do nothing, and pre-commit CI turned their pull request from being red to green. Like, that shit is so good. I'm so fucking happy about that. Okay. Initial command line argument exclude symbol to exclude dead symbols / arguments matching a given pattern. It can be an alternative to placing a lot of dead disable. Is this a good idea or is this a bad idea? Feels like a bad idea. Oops. First off, caret underscore star is probably not what you want. That matches this or blah 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 or blah blah blah. You could simplify the regex to just this. Is this a good idea? This feels like not a good idea. Your specific example seems like not a good idea. Part of the point of dead is finding things that aren't referenced, such as functions which are made unused, especially private functions. How do you imagine using this new option while avoiding useful parts? Yeah. Oh, actually, underscore star. Actually, tilde underscore star also matches this. Because it's a star. More regexes, more problems, right? Oh man, we haven't seen iSatisfied in a while. I wonder what he's up to. Hopefully he's doing well. Oh. Kazjork says, I've work tomorrow. See you next stream, unless it's in the middle of the night. All right, all right. Well, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you around. It's probably going to be in the middle of the night. Sometime it says, bonk. Oops, I dropped 6 hammers on my head. What? Longano says, I'm listening to you talking through coding while setting up a Discord server. I'm like, yes, I am programmed. Elevator says, I had an RX 580 in my cart ready to be bought. A few months later, it's like $1 billion. Yeah, welcome to Buttcoin. Dirk Elliott says, I bought a 1060 5 years ago and now it's become an investment. Oh no. You think he's going in price. I got my 4x16 gig RAM sticks, 220 USD, and now they're 350. Oh man. Wait, why is RAM going up in price? Doesn't make sense. What is RAM being expensive for? Goomback! Oh man, I haven't seen you in a while. Are you working for a company yet? Yes, I am working at Stripe as a staff software engineer on the Python infra team. Okay. Anyway, back to this. So file intent. Yes. There's action get content. Get content. Instead of retrieving a copy of a file that you must import into your app, when Android 404, you can instead request to open a file that's managed by another app. Like open document. Create a new document that your app can write to action create document. Okay. There's action get content, and then there's action open document, and there's action create document. I think we can use action get content. Yeah? I think so. I think so. Goomback says no. Why no? What's wrong? Is it because I won't be able to do more streams? Which is true. I'm real sad about that too. GPUs need RAM? Yeah, but not typically the type of RAM that goes into normal computers. Yeah, I know about Chia with disk space, but disk space is not RAM. Stupid Chia. Chia's fucking dumb. Good to see you again. Yeah, indeed. It's good to see you again as well. Majority of the RAM is manufactured by a single company. Yeah. How to find a matching 8K DDR3 so I could have 16 compatibility issues suck. Oh yeah. At this point, you're better to just buy 2 new sticks. Yamcha General says, as a staff eng, do you lead a team? It's a little bit fuzzy. I'm not really supposed to, well, I am and I'm not supposed to have staff responsibilities until like 6 to 12 months into my tenure. So yes and no. I don't know. It's really unclear to me. I assume it'll just kind of happen at some point, but I don't know. Like I haven't been invited to the meeting for staff engineers in my org, so I don't know. And every time I think about it, it feels like some weird impostery shit, and like my stomach turns in a weird way, and like I don't know. It's something. But I'm just gonna ignore it for now, for the most part. Okay, what do I need to do here? We need to write this code. That does this thing. Quest image open. Okay, so we set an instant and it comes back to us. Okay. Request import statistics 1 and request. Actually, export will be first. Export equals 2. Oh, I wrote semicolons like a pleb. Like a pleb. Then we gotta do this. Only the system receives action open document, so no need to test. When running Android 4.4 or later. What version am I targeting again? Tools, SDK. We're targeting 4.4. Sick. Okay, so this is this dot request this export is not open, it's create document. Create document. And we want type application / JSON. Presumably. Add category. Sure. How do you check for failure? How do you check for failure? Oh, if intent.resolve activity is package manager. Oh. Oh, I guess that's some sort of magic global. Cool. Something like that. RAM is faster disk as long as you keep it powered on. Kind of. Speaking of break, let's trigger Anthon falafel hot dog. There we go. I'm sorry, Anthony, I love you. Yeah. Did you have to do some BS interview again, like a design question? Yeah. I mean, I don't think design questions are BS. I think they're the most reasonable and straightforward thing that, at least at my level, that you can test for. Download says, speaking of jobs, what does an NDA cover? Can I mention which products I worked on, internal products? How much is one typically allowed to put on their resume? You can put it. As far as I'm concerned, NDAs are not enforceable. I did not. You can't quote me on that, but for the most part, NDAs are pretty unenforceable. Yeah, I don't know. I talk pretty openly about what I work on. Then again, I don't work on stuff that's secret or like product focused, so I don't really care. Oh, yeah. Someone says my dad is still using 404? Huh. KitKat had ammo LED black theme with accents 10 years ago, truly ahead of its time. It's true. Hey, what's up, Guac Dip? Guac Dip. Freudian slip there. OX Key, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Welcome back. It's been a while. I do have a tan. It's true, it's true. Deepak says, hi Anthony, what are you building? I'm working on a kenken game. I'm doing import and export of statistics because I'm getting a new phone. If you want to learn about kenken, Linux has just posted a clip where I explain what the game is. I see. I'll use this clip in court. All right. Good luck. I mean, this seems fine. So create document, and we also want open document. Yes, that's JSON. And this is import statistics. And then we need to override that other function. Case. Request. Export. How do I make a toast? How do I make a toast? Toast. Oh, that's not what I want to do. How do I hello world toast? Hello, Kotlin, create toast message. Toast.makeText. Oh shit, this is so close to being W3 Schools. I feel like they're owned by the same people. This is totally W3 Schools. Fuck! Wait, is this W3 Schools? Is this the same company? Is this W3 Schools? Hold on. I feel like this is W3 Schools, but I don't know. It looks like they're same layout and design and stuff. How do I find who owns this? This looks like W3 Schools. Is this W3 Schools though? No, this is some guy. Why the fuck would I allow notifications? No, fuck you. Get out of here. Holy shit, fucking life story is in this goddamn thing here. It's like his fucking Tinder profile. He really loves his car. Okay, I think we've confirmed this is not W3 Schools. So I don't have to go get alcohol. Okay, toast.makeText.show. Okay. Toast.makeText. Hello. Exports.show. Context, care sequence, int. Shit, what's the context supposed to be? Application context, okay. Okay. Int? The int's, what's the int supposed to be? Toast.text long. Okay. Yeah. Hello? Length long. Length long. There we go. Christ. Context is this? Yeah, that sounds better. Cool. Else if import statistics. Hello, import. Okay. God damn. Can we include tutorials point and Java T point in the W3 Schools beer challenge? They do belong there. I think we can, but I think it would have to start now. I don't think this one counts. Toaster deprecated use snack bars. Click delete the VOD? No, we're good. What's your new phone? I don't know. It's whatever my mom didn't want. It's not the same, but for sake of this channel, yes it is. It will be from now on. T-Bex says, Anthony, I really can't find a solution to the problem I'm facing. Is there a way to implement Vim key bindings in a PySide multi-line text widget? I am not familiar with... Oh, PySide is a cute thing? Presumably, you could add your own bindings to that. I don't think there's something out of the box. Make sure it has the word Vim in it. I don't know why you would want Vim bindings. Vim mode enabled. That sounds like something that you might want. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never written in PySide, and the cute stuff that I did was super minimal. J-Brat says, I wish I was that cool. Wait, which thing? Zithrius! Thank you for the sub! With Prime, 2 months in a row, and 4 total. Who says, not Python, impossible. Yeah, we're writing to Colin today. This totally looks like they ripped off the W3 Schools styling. Okay, but yeah, this is gonna count for the future if we ever open up this website again. Shivan says, thinking about switching from Vim to Babby. Oh. I don't know why you would do that. But to each their own. I mean, if you like Babby, then go for it. App context is the God object. Oh. You already have it open? No, it would have to be a new open. PySide equals PyCute, basically. Oh, okay, cool. Is this Vim? That's funny. That's funny. I like it. VI are the champions. Oh, are you trying to do the, like, V are the champions? Is that what you're going for? Natalk X, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Shivan says, I swear the new Firefox update is very resource intensive. Let's see. Sort by memory, I guess? Firefox for me is like... fourth. What the fuck is MOUSO core worker process? What the fuck are you? Hello? Windows update. Alright. Stupid update. I don't know. Firefox is using half as much RAM as Chrome. Binder one, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. And this is new Firefox. So, wait, what is QEMU running? Oh, the Android emulator. Okay. It's like, what? Anyway, Android Studio is like, nom nom nom, give me all your RAM. Which is fair. You can have as much RAM as it wants. PySide is the official apparently, but PyCute is older, and PyCute 5 was closer to spec than PySide 2, but now PySide 6 and PyCute 6 are essentially identical. I see. Oh yeah, Andrew Linux uses Babby. It's true, it's true. Someone's mining crypto on your computer with 0 CPU usage and 0 GPU usage? Probably not. Yamcha Journal says, what are the differences between Urlib, Urlib 2, Urlib 3, and the request module? So Urlib and Urlib 2 are the old Python 2 names for the old URL libraries that were part of the standard library. First there was Urlib, and then there was Urlib 2. Urlib 3 was a reimagination of the Urlib 2 and Urlib APIs in a third-party PyPI package. And then requests is a thin wrapper around the Urlib 3 core work. And then in Python 3, they got rid of the Urlib 2 split and moved it to Urlib request, Urlib parse, Urlib error, and whatever the fourth one is that I never use because I feel like it's not that useful. But those are the Urlib modules. And don't use requests, use HPX. Yeah. It's probably Norton 360. Oh, I don't have Norton. Okay. I guess we just try this now, right? I gotta wait for it to rebuild, restart. No? Test.json. I mean, that part works. This is, it doesn't work, but like, we got our toasts. That shit's working. Yeah. Can you automatically set an extension and look for JSON extension 2? Yeah, probably. Urlib 2 is so good. Why did they make Urlib 3? So Urlib 3 was made because Urlib, well, there were a couple of things that were problematic with the standard library implementation. One was the API was not the nicest. Like it didn't have good support for custom methods. It didn't have good support for like headers and such. And it had a very particular way that it did I/O. It wasn't very pluggable for like SSL or sockets or other ways of doing HTTP connections. And so URLib 3 kind of fixed a lot of those things by making a more pluggable API that was easier to handle all of those particular things. Yeah, that's basically the reason why. And some of those, I mean, some of the improvements were made in the Python 3 port of urlib 2 into the urlib request module. Like you can specify the method directly now. You don't have to do any special magical mutation shenanigans. But I don't know. urlib 3 I think is still more popularly used. But I get by with urlib request because it works fine for me for what I need. But yeah. Good question. 5G technician. That's a good name. I like that. Simba says, can you automatically set an extension, look for JSON extension 2? Maybe. urlib 2 considered harmful? Well, Python 2 considered harmful, so yeah. Don't use Python 2. OXKey says, is it just me, or does watching coding streams make you want to go open up your editor? That was me too. That was me too. Okay. So now that we have these results, there's a... Where's the save preferences thing? Settings, statistics manager. Wow, it just stores it all in app preferences? That seems not a good idea. That's not persistent. Yeah, maybe it's fine. But where does this live? Statistics manager. Uh oh, is this still Java? Why do you have a weird thing? Why are you... What is your color? Why are you different than this one? What does the orange mean? Those of you that know Kotlin, what does the orange mean? Oh, what is this? What are you? Why are you fun color? Field. Oh, because this is a setter. Haha. I remember this shit. Alright, statistics manager. Kotlin is just fancy Java, which is just fancy bytecode, which is just a file with hex codes and blocks, which is basically XML. Oh no. I want to see you write something in Perl. Well, I did write some Perl. Do you remember when I wrote Perl, Marcia? Make the font look less garbo? Like, is it hard to read? Is it too small? What do you mean? It's an object versus class. Oh. Is object is like the like data classes in Python. It's like it makes an automatic initializer for you. Is that how it works? Or is this a stateful global? Is that how that works? I don't know. It's just like ugly. It doesn't look smooth. It does have font smoothing on. Just maybe not very good. It's too thin, maybe not crisp. Okay, let's see. And try and use my favorite monospace font. Let's see, font. Oh, font's already open. Font monospaced. Consoles. Is that better? Oh, that's way better. Right, chat? Is this way better? Does this make you way happier, Marsha? This makes me way happier, and I didn't even have a problem with the previous font. Big time it says, time to watch Explains and sleep. Sounds good, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Object 2 select class, but everything is static. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. So it is globals. Yeah, it's globals. It's sneaky globals. Feels like wide script. This is super nice now. Yeah, Consoles. I fucking love Consoles. Such a good font. Such a good font to do. Implement the dirty cache methodology. Dirty little cache. Isn't that the Microsoft font? Yeah, it totally is. Yep. Object X is like making a variable X of an anonymous class. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, I deserve that bonk. Oh wait, Marsha got bonked for that. Dodged. Dodged. Oh boy. Hey, what's up, Neurum? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, so we need to make a method here, which is load from file and save to file and stats array and hard stats array. Okay, it's stored in two. Okay, so little word of wisdom about API design that I've learned by making this mistake. So you cannot make this mistake, but I'm about to show you why I'm designing something in a particular way. So if you're ever, and this existing code makes this mistake. If you're ever designing an API and you have an inkling to return a top level list, don't do it, because it means that you'll never be able to change that later on. And this is why most APIs always return a top level map, and then that top level map has a key, and then inside that key has a list, even though it seems like it's unnecessary. And the reason that it's such a good idea is it means like if you need to add some other information that needs to go along with that list, if you have an object, you can just add another key to the object and it's a compatible, backward compatible change. But if you try to, go from a list to an object, that's a breaking change. Or your other option is you duplicate that data in every single list entry, which is clunky. So don't make APIs that return lists if you're providing them restfully or over a network or such. But this is essentially that same problem. So we're going to make a, well, we can't change the existing stuff, unfortunately, but we're going to make a, I guess we're going to make two methods here. The one that gets the stats string and one that gets us a, hard stats array. Now granted, the code here is not that complicated, but yeah. Ari said hi to you. Hello again. It's not a proper Anthony stream without Marsha being bonked. It's true, Funko. That is very on brand. Okay, So we have save and load here. Ah, this was the compatibility code for the old and new hard stats stuff. Okay, so we want to do private function. This feels a lot like Python. You don't have to declare types all that often. Although in this case, I think we do have to make a type. Private function statistics JSON. Is it a capital string or is it a lowercase string? String, capital string. Create JSON array. Real fucking great comment past me. Why you mad? Because I write a colon? No. Statistics JSON. Yes. Hard statistics JSON. Can you initialize an array from a map? I don't know. Return hard stats array. I feel like there's a nicer way to do this, but this works fine too. Hard statistics JSON. I'm not good at autocomplete. I'm not used to using autocomplete. Shit. Prefactor, rename, hard stats JSON. Cool. Indonex says, is it just me or do you sound very quiet in the YouTube videos? I think they're normal volume. Oh no, are you talking about which video are you watching? Today's video? Possible that I fucked up the volume. Let's see. No, it's about the right volume. All of them? Is your YouTube broken? Because it's the same volume that I talk at here. Stats Johnson, yeah, there you go. Oh wait, why did Fallen Cat get bonked? Marsha with the bunk redemption? Okay. What do we need to do here? We need to... What is clear statistics to? Oh. Interesting. Reassigns. This song's got some bops. How does this work? Oh, I see. Cool. Okay, so on any exception, it clears it. That's probably not what we want. We're gonna do this a little bit different. this makes sense here because it's loading from its own state. This is an import, so an import can fail, and that's fine. Andrew says, "Hi, how do you program your keyboard in the center?" This is programmed with QMK, and get status always takes forever. Oh wow, that was fast. Keyboards, Keybio, BDN9, key maps. I called it IDK because I didn't know what it was asking me. But here's my key map. Oh, why are we doing that? You don't want to use nano. Nano is for noobs. VM scripts, Abby, keymap.c. So my key map is set up. Okay, so this is the rotary encoders. The left one is volume change, and the right one is page up and page down. I haven't changed either of those. That was the defaults, and it's actually backwards. So it's actually page down and page up. I should change this. Yeah, this should be down and that should be up. But anyway. So that's the rotary encoder, and then this is the actual layouts. And in the layouts, ignore this, I didn't change it. I have some custom keys here. That's what this AS underscore is. But it basically encodes to F13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Except I have a little macro which expands these out to slightly more characters, and I haven't changed the second layer. But what the macro does is it taps right control, then it taps the key a bunch of times, then it taps right control. This is what I needed to do to make it more consistent. But it switches my scenes. But yeah, that's how I do that. QMK. And it works pretty well. 5G Technician says, did you ever have performance issues writing a text editor in Python? There is one thing that's particularly bad about it. And that is if you open a file, so that part's fine, but if you jump to the end of the file, you can see there's like a noticeable delay there, and that's because it has to highlight the whole file. But that's like the absolute worst case scenario, and this file is 1,000 lines long. And you would have the same problem in Visual Studio, although Visual Studio does highlighting in the background. And I could fix it by also highlighting in the background. I just haven't bothered yet. I haven't had time, and it's not that big of a deal. But that's like the one thing that's kind of, you know, not the best, but yeah. But for the most part, it's fine. There's also, I'm hoping that when MyPyC gets a little bit better, I can MyPyC the highlighting portion, and that'll make it way faster. Because right now it's all pure Python and like not super smart. Well, it's super smart. It's like really, it's over optimized. But like if it's compiled to C, it'll be even faster. But yeah, hopefully that answers your question. Juicebox00, hello, hello. And one line of me, how's it going? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Juicebox here to advertise our upcoming stream. It's true, it's true. Juice says, are y'all ready for Anthbonk's 10 days of tofu? Yeah, I do have tofu for 10 whole days. Nurm says, what does pipe equal do? I've never seen that before. This is a shorthand for red equals red or this. It's a augmented assign. Or being the binary or operator. So what this does is if fix file ever returns a 1, then this will be updated to a 1, but it never is reset back to 0. It's maybe a little clever, but I use this pattern a lot. I kind of like it. But yeah. On the first day of tofu, the streamer gave to chat 1 corgi mlepping. I see. I see. Okay. So we want to add 2 public functions, which are similar to this here. Fun. Import statistics. Oh, we can just call them fun export statistics. Why is my shift key not working? And then import statistics, which needs to take a this needs to return a string. I think. And this needs to take a string. So then this needs to try and load it as JSON. This should actually return bool. If it's boolean. Try to write Python. Val obj equals JSON object stats. Hello? 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 Did I import the right one? Yeah. Accept. No, it's not just accept, it's catch. Catch. JSON exception. Turn false. No semicolon. It's not Java. Okay, so we also need to do the same here. How do I put something output? Oh, we actually don't want a string up here. We just want the array. Not to string. Object dot put stats this dot this stats JSON. And then we do hard stats. Hard stats JSON and return obj.toString. Okay, I think that one's done. I think that was actually not so hard. But what day does Tofu lick a defeats? Every day. On the third day of Tofu, the streamer gave to chat 3 licks for feetsies, 2 tofu chomps, and 1 derpy corgi mleppy. 5G Technician says, I wrote a text editor in C for university, but the professor made me store the characters in a linked list, so it was a mess. That sounds like the worst data structure for a text editor. That sounds like the worst data structure. Oh, Juice, do you want to try the prediction thing to see if you get 5 badges? Since you're here? Alright. Do you want me to make you a VIP? What should we predict, chat? What should we predict? What are we predicted? Oh yeah, and the knees here. Indeed. Indeed, Beldathis. Will Anthony be Anthony? Oh. Predict if this compiles? We already know it compiles. Or we already know it doesn't compile because these are unused. I don't know what we would predict. We could also just do a placeholder prediction and not actually predict anything useful. I kind of just want to see if Juice gets 5 badges. Will Tofu bit Anthbunk in the PP? I'm yeah, that's what we're trying to figure out at the end of the server. Predictive Juicebox gets 5 badges. Yes! Perfect prediction. Okay. Will Juicebox get 5 badges? We have yes and no, and we'll give you 1 minute to bet. Okay, done. Easy. Easy. Hey, what's up, Knowledge? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Marsha has predicted yes. Wait, you can't talk until after the prediction is done, Juice. I think Juice will get 5 badges. I think so. I can't predict, but I think she will. But yeah, once the timer's up, then Juice can talk, and then we can see what happens. I'm kind of curious. Here, we'll put this on screen for chat, for the video, so that we can see. Okay, almost ticked down. Almost ticked down. Oh look, hi Marsha. Hi YouTube. Okay, now you can talk, Juice. I hope it works. I hope it works. I want to see 5 badges. I want to see the chaos that's 5 badges. Yes! Yes! Look at those 5 badges. Oh shit, it totally worked. It totally worked. Oh wait, there's 4 badges. Where'd your 5th badge go? There we go. That's too many. Alright. We broke Twitch. And then choose outcome. Yes. Alright, that was cool. We did it, chat. You want your mod back? Or no? You told me you didn't want it yesterday. I like VIP? Okay, you can stay VIP. I basically mod my own channel, so it's fine. Works out. Actually, yeah, who are my mods if not you? Chaz? Wait, no, I want mod? Okay, you can have mod back. There you go. You are mod now. I think. Wait, it didn't give me a little notification. Marsha for mod? Yeah, we'll just put my chat in like infinite chaos mode. Okay, load object, do... I cast my vote for Marsha, Peepo Riot. What if we just had a type racer and #1 kids mod? What if we did a programming type racer? Then I would just mod myself. Easy, done, fixed. Okay, how does this work? We want to retrieve keys from this? Although we don't do that anywhere else. Oh, we probably do it inside this. Get JSON object. Oh wait. No. Game statistics. Get int. Oh, there's no error handling here. My guess is that get int raises a JSON error, so I don't need to actually do any error handling there. Look at this. According to developer.android.com/reference/java-util locale, locale.us should be used like C#'s culture info and invariant culture. Probably not correct, but I think Marsha would just turn on cute emote only mode. That's true, it's true. Timeout if emote's not cute enough. Okay. But what we do here is, why are you red? Why are you mad? Oh, because I haven't turned true here. we will put a return true at the end down here. So we need to get array stats. Val stats array equals val hard stats array equals hard stats. And then we need to load them all. We do I guess we do stats JSON and hard stats JSON. Then we don't want to assign it directly. We want to load both of them and then assign it. Oh, I mean we could do val stats and then how do we do this? But this will be fine. And then at the end we do this dot statistics equals stats and this dot hard statistics equals stats. Nope. Hard stats. What else is in this module? Yeah, that's just it. Okay, cool. Cool. That really it? Seems too easy. I should make a function for this. Maybe? I don't know. Would import statistics return false if return true somehow failed? No. Something in here would have to raise the way that this happens is if this is not JSON, or this is not an array, or this is not a JSON object in the array, or if the members of this are not properly the right values. So like any of this stuff up here could raise. JSON? True, it's not French if you pronounce the last syllable. Yeah. Knowledge says plushies are disgusting and S-joy. What's S-joy? Oh no, is this some like kinky weird shit that I don't know about? Oh, I'm gonna Google S-joy off screen. This is just giving me a cannabis company. I don't think that's what the goal was here. Sounds like alt-right stuff like toy. Oh, and should be put on the garbage heap. Well, that's not very nice now, Ish. What's wrong? What's wrong with the plushies? What plushie has hurt you? Show me where the plushie touched you. Afflicta, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so we got our two things. Now we gotta go back to here and do this. But instead of toast, export. So export, we get a file. That's create document. Create Document. Do you have example? That's loading. Oh, for use with action create document to specify an initial file name. Oh, we could do that. We could do that. That would be neat. That could be neat. Let's not do that first. Category openable. We're gonna search on GitHub for action create document and find example code on the GitHub. Code. Lots of results. Tooched? Like plushy, but tooched. I don't know. This one is in Japanese, right? I guess I need to do this, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so save file passes save request code, which comes up here. Save request code. Okay, so this is how we get the URI out. This code is not formatted well. Okay, so this is export. Result data. What the what do I do? Hello? Oh, it's just data. Data is not null. Then I have semicolons in there. Has write file content. Oh, this looks gross. Parcel file descriptor. Is there like a context manager in? Is there like a using statement? Using statement Kotlin. Surely there's a context manager. Context manager Kotlin. I don't think I have to actually call a close, right? Try with resources. That thing? Use function. Sick. Sick. Nirm says, I mean, if for some weird reason just the return part failed, no, the bits upon which we compute would have to split open, and at that point you might as well just like yeet your computer into the, you know, into the sun. And before Andy gets sued for license violations, what? Alpus Fly says, are you working on Windows today? Yes. Indeed, indeed. Android Studio has a built-in formatter? Yeah, I know. It's .use. Indeed, I found it. How come everything isn't RAII? It's not everything C++. Sick. Okay, cool. Alright, we need... Why do I have to make 2 of these things? Why are you squiggly? Use property access. Okay, cool. Use takes a block, and then we need a file output stream. New file output stream. I don't think we call new in Kotlin, do we? But use takes a block, so we need oh, you just use it, yeah. Because it looks like an iterator. Not use. Maybe I need new. Why are you mad? Why are you mad? Why are you mad? None of the following functions can be called using the arguments specified. Okay, this is what I want to work, but we gotta resolve the problems here. Byte array. Oh. Alright, string to bytes. Husan Hishazi, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Data, yeah, it's like repo. Wait, was this not? Oh yeah, you're right. This is totally Korean. Why did I misread that? I think I just saw the first symbol and I was like, oh yeah, that looks like Japanese. I bet this is actually 2 characters. Or, this is not 2 characters. I thought it was 2 characters. Lobby. But yeah, you're right. It's totally Korean. This is a string. How do I write a string to bytes? 2 byte? 2 byte array? Byte array? To byte array. Surely there's definitely nothing that can go wrong with any of these lines here. It seems legit, right? Alright, let's try that. I feel like this is gonna crash in some way. And we're just not gonna handle it today. Why are you mad? Why are you warning? Shadow name stats. What are you shadowing? Alright, should I update the ID? Should I do this? Should I do this, chat? The function param? Oh. Oh. What was the other warning? Condition data does not equal null is always true. Sick. Press X to doubt, but sick. Put a try acceptor on it, problem solved. Just keep typing dots and scrolling through the autocomplete suggestions. Yeah, precisely. Alright, run this. Why did the Gradle build take 2 minutes? What the fuck? Alright. So we have statistics? We do. 1 and 1. Okay, cool. And if we export them, it'll ask us to do a file. Let's do this. Yes. Oh, did you see it had content there? How do I view that otherwise? That's not the button that I want. Oh god, how do I use Android? Where's the little, like, app switcher searcher thing? Isn't that this button? That's the back button. Isn't it the home button? No? Oh, here we go. Files. Can't open file. Bug. Can I open in Chrome? No. Should I just save it as plain text instead? Maybe that'll be openable? Swipe up. Yeah, I'm dumb. My bad. Should we try saving as plain text instead of .json? Or try and install a file viewer? I don't know. What? Hold down the file. Share. Open with nothing. Rename. CXC. Like that. Open with. Fucking kidding me? What if we need an HTML? Still can't open. I guess we can go to the Play Store and install something, right? Oh, I gotta sign in. Fuck me. Can I view the... can I view the disk? That's gotta be a thing, right? Android emulator copy file from disk. I copy file to device file explorer was the bottom right of Android Studio. I'm gonna doubt that. I don't see it down here. Tools. Oh, there's just so many fucking options here. Is it in here? No. Is this an old project? Yes, Newbie Pirate. Very, very old project. I originally wrote this code in 2012. Download an APK from the interwebs, upload to Pastebin. Yeah. APK Pure will let you... Oh, Pastebin. Oh yeah, we can probably just do Fluffy. Wow. Else. No! What? Why doesn't it let me access it? Oh, here it is. Sick! Sick! Wow, the date is literally just a string? Huh. Sick! Okay, it fucking works. Export works, chat. We got it. Tato says, how does your virtual machine run so fast? So, the emulator or the virtual machine? The emulator, I think, is because it's not actually emulating. I think it's just running x86 code, because I think I'm running it in x86 mode. Neilsor says, I showed some coordinates. I hope that's not your address. I doubt it. I highly doubt it. Because IP to location puts me like 3 cities away, and there's no way I put my actual location into this. I was wondering, Android Studio is for boomers. Flutter is the new Zoomer tool. Oh, you're talking about my Linux VM? Maybe we could try and open something here. Oh no. Anthony writes code. Yeah, it seems to load fine. Without any special sauce there. Okay, so export is working. Let us do import. Okay. Read file content. Oh, basically the same thing. Is there really not a just like read the entire fucking file function in Java? Coordinates are for the Google headquarters in Mountain View. Ah, interesting. VirtualBox or VMware? I'm running VirtualBox, but we're also not doing VirtualBox today. We're just on Windows today. Okay, so let us oh, the other thing that we have to do is we need to cancel the current in progress game for import statistics. We should probably pause for export as well. Oh, pause if not paused. Yeah, is that what pause does though? No, it's toggle pause. Again, not the greatest software design here. Pause if not paused. And here's the like end game if needed thing. I think that happens in the preferences. That's not what I wanted. I thought it was in here. Maybe it's in the setter here? Trigger game size changed. Oh, damn it. Event hell. Game component.clear. Yeah, so that's what we have to do on import. We should pause here. And then after we receive the value back. Okay, cool. This dot content resolver dot open file descriptor data use file input stream. Unresolved reference? What do you mean? Oh wait, what? What is your type? Are you not string? Are you not URI? Do I need a mode? I must need a mode. Okay. In Colin there is? Sick. Colin, read entire file. Read bytes.toString. Constructs a new file input stream for the file. Can I get that from a file descriptor? Can I just do file? Dot read text? Oh, sounds what I want. None of the functions can be called. Is this what I want? You're a URI though, right? Type are you? Introduce local variable. No? It's a URI. But why are you not happy? Init URI defined in java.io. Maybe the compiler will tell me better. None of the following functions can be called with the supplied URI. Oh, do I have the wrong file? Kotlin file. No. I have java.io.file. I think I want Kotlin.file, maybe? There's some other type? No? Hello? Why is this not a thing? I don't know what's going on here. What the fuck is going on here? I'm so lost. Do I need mode here? Java has files, don't read all lines? Different URI? Oh. Oh yeah, this is lowercase URI. Fuck. 2x Ben, 2x, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Do it the old way. Java 8 has files, don't read all lines. That's clearly not the one we want. Okay, yeah, we'll just do the old way. Fuck it. Fuck it. input stream read all bytes Kotlin. Oh, does it just read bytes? That's Java IO file. Perhaps? If statistics manager dot import statistics contents. If it's true, then we need to end the current game. This dot game component dot clear. Holy shit. That was a painful set of lines there. Juice says, I love how Michaela has been gone for months and I'm still nowhere near her. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe try data.data.path as an argument? Uh-oh. Oh. Hello? Hello? Nope. Where's the thing that we had before? Care set's not UTF yet. Fuck me. Yeah, boy. That's way better. Way better. So in theory I can do that for the writing mode too, right? File data.data.path. Never mind. That may break if the phone is a different locale. No, JSON is always in UTF-8, so it doesn't matter. Is there a better way to do the writing too? I feel like there should be a better way to do the writing, right? Write a file in Kotlin. Just Googling the most basic shit possible here. Oh. You don't have to file descriptory? Giving content is text encoded in UTF-8 or any other specified character set. Oh, do I not even need this? Is this the default? Oh, fucking default. Sick. Data.path.write text statistics manager.export statistics. This way easier. After I fix typo. Wow. Wow, way easier. Now we try it, I guess. We run. I know you're not supposed to change two things at once, but fuck it. All right, so we look at our stats. Let's actually play a game. And this is the only thing that's we won a game. All right, so now we need to we need to win another game. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so now we can export statistics to test.json And we can pre-populate that. What? What? I'm gonna go fill up my water. I'll be right back. You know, all things considered, 3 hours into the stream and that's our first crash. Like, I think we're doing pretty all right. Export in middle of a game. Oh yeah, I mean we'll try it at some point. Hey, what's up, Kambiko? How's it going? Hello, hello. Does not compute says you win. It's true. It's true. Wait. Also, I don't think I said hi to Gakbiel, but how's it going? Hello, hello. It's good to see you again. All right, so we're gonna run this in debug mode instead of non-debug mode, so that way we'll get a stack trace. So we need to do the run debug. And then we gotta find the debug output. Go. Which is usually real noisy. Going to do export to test on JSON. Yes. Okay, what happened here? Failure delivering results. What does that mean? File not found / document / 83. Yeah, something tells me that that file.path thing is not gonna work. Like I should have a stack trace even without the debug. Oh, I see. Hey, what's up, Fireball Monkey? Hello, hello. Okay, so that path thing doesn't work. How do we make it work? I feel like we could make it work. Yes? Probably with this category openable. Category openable. Seems like a thing, right? Category openable. You can only accept data that can be opened as a stream. I think it's what I want. I think I actually have to use this stupid content resolver thing. So we gotta back out the nice code and put it back at the bad code. Or the ugly code. Dot open file descriptor data right use, basically rewriting the code that we did before. File. Actually, I wonder if we can get. Can we open a file from file descriptor? No? That'd be so nice. Java.io.file from file descriptor. Seems like no. How do I make thing work please help plus Kotlin? Yeah. Because I spoke to a data science from $Big Bank over the weekend. She told me they don't really have CI for non-engineering repos, but they do have Git hooks that prevents them from committing without mentioning a Jira ticket ID. Pretty sure they've implemented pre-commit per dev before implementing CI. Yeah, probably. Depending on which bank it is, they might actually be using pre-commit. Because I know that there's been a lot of questions from a particular $Big Bank about a Jira ticket ID pre-commit hook. Or a commit message hook, actually. So it might actually be that they might actually be using pre-commit, oddly enough. But that's pretty funny. Android started being weird with the old Java file API. Fireball Monkey says, what you working on if you bang today? I'm working on my old kenken app, adding high score import and export. I'm pretty sure they're using Pregame.com. Nice. Pretty sick. But they're you know how much the big bank is paying me? Fuck all. Dicks. Export statistics. Byte array. 2-byte array. Why do I feel like this line is way longer than it was last time? Oh, because we did .use and then did this. Yeah. That's why we probably have to do the same shit down here. Data, read, use, file input stream. Read bytes, string. Oh, otherwise we should toast new or toast. Make text this. Could not import statistics. Statistics. Toast dot long dot show. All right, let's try it again. Music stopped. It did indeed. Thank you for noticing. I feel like I'm losing my mind because it still was playing in my head, but I might be a little crazy. Click away the thing at the bottom of the right. Alright, we click it. We install, we upgrade Colin. We do it. Also, you might not have permissions. Is the file missing on read or write? It was using a path that just like, this path shouldn't exist. It's not a valid path. This is like a weird URI path that is magical for that content resolver thing. I think the way that it works is it hands it a file descriptor that the OS knows about, but the app can't read the file directly. Yeah. I don't know why I just instinctively started playing a game, so sorry, you're gonna have to watch me play a game. Super speedy. Okay, so now we should be able to do export to test.json, and we overwrite it. Why did you crash that time? It succeeded in writing it. Oh, because we have this shit still here. Well then, we try again. Have you considered integration Google Game Service into the app? That way it would allow you to keep the score and let people compare on the global leaderboard. No. My app got banned from the Play Store back in 2012, and I'm not gonna bother trying to litigate the company that claimed it was trademark infringement. Not worth my time. I play the game a lot on my own personal computer and or on my own phone, but like I don't really care that anyone else plays it, so it's mostly just for me, to be honest. And I just instinctively started a game again. So yeah, I mean, I could, but also doesn't really matter for me. All right, so let's actually delete that file. Swipe up files. Delete, yes. Delete, yes. And we will try and pre-populate the file name as well. I think that would be better. No. No. Okay. Export to test.json. Didn't crash that time. And if we upload it to Fluffy like we did before, why do you go back? Why is there no back button? Hello? Oh, because you're supposed to do that, I guess? Game is played 5. Okay, I assume that's good. Alright, let's try and clear and import. Statistics clear. Yes. Okay. And then import from JSON. Could not import statistics. No. We didn't log the stack trace either. How do log? Whoa, what did I just do? Get rid of the sidebar. How do I system.out.print ln e? No. Is it e dot? How do I do this? What's the right thing? Log dot whatever? Print stack trace, e dot print. Oh, sick, cool. I'm not Java. Thank you. Mark says this makes me want to learn some more coding stuff, but I should be getting head start in the business writing class that I don't want to do. I'm gonna have to force myself to do this. Yeah. ADHD does that. My brain never turns off effing music. Yeah. One line of me says I've been following for exactly 6 months. A cake for me, please. Oh, do follow age. It'll show that as well. Juicebox is streaming? Well, we'll rate her when I finish here, probably. Use the system back button. I figured it out. GekBL says Alt plus 6 in Android Studio will open up the Logcat tab, which will give you log output, even error stack traces, so you don't need to attach the debugger. Just make sure you select your app's package name. Alt 6. Cool. Cool. Could not load memtrack module. Yeah, it's working well. Log.d tag message. Oh, maybe I should have done that? Well, we'll try this. We'll see what happens. So stats is empty. And if we do import from test.json, we get error. And it not show here. We'll debug instead. That didn't work. Unterminated array at character 10. I guess we didn't check if it was valid JSON, did we? It's saying this array is never terminated. Probably my file reading is fucked. Because this file is fine. Ah, why does reading files suck? That's so dumb. That's so annoying. File input stream. File input stream. Yeah, that's not gonna help. That's also not gonna help. Unless I can convert to... Java 9. I could use Java 9 stuff, but I don't think I have Java 9. Hey, what's up, party? Hello, hello. Can you use Apache Common File Utils? I don't think so. I don't think it's installed. Probably not. Were you humming the Mendelssohn Wedding March? I have no idea. Real King Philip says, didn't you use Vim in the past? Nope. I used to use Nano, though. You know you're doing Java if you end up on Baldung or MK Young's blogs? Yeah. It was bad, and now it's even worse with scope storage, which you don't have to worry about for this. I see. Why is reading a file fucking pain in the ass? Alright, how do we do this? I guess we can look at the file input stream methods. it dot... Did I turn it into a buffered reader? Read lines. List string. Might be our best chance. line sequence. One. Maybe that'll work. I bet I can use. Yeah, I mean, I think I should make it the same code for both sides. So we're gonna do that. I know, change one thing at a time, don't change two things at a time. Why not just read text? Because this isn't a fucking... Is there a read text? Oh, there is. I didn't know that was a thing. We actually don't even need this as a variable, do we? We can just stick it in here. Alright, let's try this again. What class is it.file descriptor? File descriptor. File descriptor is the type. Okay, so stats, we have no statistics. Okay, cool. And if we import from here, it fucking works. Sick. Should probably put a little toast. Statistics imported. Yay. Okay, so if we clear Lop. Yo, it's been a while, Lop. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 7 months. Well, somebody looks hot. Well, yeah, I've gotten a little bit of sun. Alright, clear, cool, and then import from the JSON imported, and then the statistics, yes. Sick. Oh, alright. I think we're good. I think we got it all working. Oh, what did we want to do? We wanted to do, we wanted to do something here. We wanted to set the default file name, right? Hope all's going well. Yeah, it's going well. It's going well. GJ Nurum, yeah, Nurum saved me there. Saved me there, buddy. I don't know why. I guess because you can't have overloads of return values. That makes sense. Never mind. Never mind. It's not a generic. I guess generic is might as well be the function name anyway. Never mind. That's how generics work. Cool. I think this works. Oh yeah, set default file name. Create document. Extra title. How do we set that? What? Title equals ken squared statistics.json. Typo, yeah, fuck you. Alright, let's try that. That'll maybe work. We have stats? Yeah. No? Wait, why do we not have stats? Oh, because we never save after we do this. This not save game statistics. Shervin says I need help with media player. What is media player? Oh, are you talking about in Kotlin? Spoilers. I have not, or you mean in Android? So I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna be able to help you at all, other than reading docs. Because the last time that I actually wrote Android was in 2012. Beyond like the little bit of code I wrote here and basically porting this app to Kotlin. So statistics imported. Cool, we have stats there. Export. What? No. Okay, well that's not working. What happened there? Are you saying Logcat will have it? Parameter specified as non-null is null. Okay, so what you're saying is this parameter, which we copied and pasted from the fucking docs, is supposed to be nullable. If data equals null, return. Let's try that again. Well, there will be a clone of this in the Play Store. I mean, it's on GitHub, so I doubt it. It's been there for forever. Or are you saying you're building a clone of this? Because go for it. The clever bits are in the game gen, so feel free to take them and abide by the license. As long as you're... Okay, did this actually... Okay, it imported before it crashed. Okay, cool. So let's do export, and it doesn't pre-populate the file, so we gotta fix that. But let's do back, and it doesn't crash this time. Oh, what the fuck? It's at the title of my app. What? That's clearly not right. What does .apply do? This is a Kotlin thing. What is apply in Kotlin? Does it just assign all these attributes? How am I supposed to set extras in Kotlin? I closed the tab that I wanted. Damn it. Extra title. Is there an example where they use extras somewhere in here? The fuck? Where's the code that I was looking at before? Common intent, Android. This was the one I was looking at. Put extra. Oh, I see. I see. Put extra. Like that? What happens if we put it here as well? Try that. If only I had time, yeah. Scope becomes the thing that is built before. You'll need to find the extra name for the file picker specifically. Yeah, I think I had that already. I think we're good. Okay, so export. Oh, and then import. That didn't export properly. Why, you know? Is it because buffered writer is fucked? No. God damn it. Does buffered writer not work like I expect it to? At this point, I don't care. Just use this then. Wait. Why were there two files there? Wait, what? What? I see. Did it auto pick this name, I guess? Because this one existed? Okay. Now we have three of them. Alright, so if we go to our file viewer. Oh, that's not the file viewer that we want. Okay, I think this works though. Bayug PRX, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's look at the damage that we did today. Okay, we enabled write external storage. Oh, I don't think we actually wrote to external storage. I think we just wrote to the downloads directory, which maybe that's fine. I don't think the download is on external storage, so maybe I didn't actually implement what I wanted to, but I guess it's fine. And then I think this is gonna have a bunch of unused imports at the top. Where's the like refactor auto do thing? Optimize imports. Sick. Alright. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel and then we'll send you off to another channel. And probably Juicebox Zero, she's still streaming. But my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find educational videos as well as prior streams and sometimes miscellaneous stuff. So go to YouTube and subscribe there. Hey, what's up, Savage Banana Soup? Bang YouTube I normally stream on Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Of course, today is an ad hoc stream, and I have other ad hoc streams as well, so make sure to follow on Twitter and join the Discord for announcements of streams, where I basically say, I'm gonna stream in such amount of time, and then I talk about what I'm gonna work on. And sometimes we get stuff done, which is cool. Yeah, at onlyfans.com/AnthonyRantsCode. And yeah, join the Discord. It's a cool little place to hang out. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions about all sorts of stuff, and there's lots of knowledgeable people that can help you out. And there's a bunch of other cool channels like memes and food and animals and other stuff. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go raid.